up, guys? I am back with a strange video. Before I start this video, I was over there playing. I don't know if y'all can hear those birds, but they're looking for their baby right now. You're not gonna believe what we found in the tree.
Baby bird.
I don't know if y'all can see that.
Baby bird, he did not like people petting him.
A baby bird. In that box is a baby bird. I don't know if y'all saw him or not.
Shut up.
Down there again. Where's he at? See him? You see him? There. And jumping. For today, this is just like the short video of him. And I'll get back with y'all if we have anything.